Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The BJP MLA of Pynthorumkhrah Constituency, L Hek, had informed newspersons on the status of the BJP in relation to the 2023 Assembly elections in Meghalaya. On being asked whether the Rimpu Bagan case in West Garo Hills is a political vendetta against the BJP in Meghalaya, L Hek responded by saying that the party has left it in the hands of law enforcement agencies to proceed with the investigation and therefore it is too early for the BJP to comment on the same.
That was when I was there in London. I've seen in the social media there was been arrested. So now the matter is with the law, that the law take their own course of actions regarding this. Because it is under the investigations, and then continue the investigation. Whatever the decisions will come, we have to accept. See, I don't see any political vendetta. Okay, this is because they have been arrested, that the investigation is on. Now we cannot say anything whether it is a political vendetta or anything against anyone or against the BJP. It is too early to ascertain this at present. But only one thing which we do not like is the harassment of our party workers in Tura police station. That is very inhuman, which is not acceptable by any common citizen also. Why we have to harass the innocent people? Why have to harass them? Why have to call them 1 o'clock, keep them waiting of 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock? There's no meeting. After coming to the police station, they'll tell, no, you come tomorrow. So that kind of harassment will not be accepted.